Hello and welcome to this Myop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to set up and schedule project tasks. This will include the following topics: creating tasks, assigning people to tasks, splitting tasks, and linking tasks. First, I will begin by showing you how to navigate to your project schedule page. Start by clicking on the project, and from here, click on the Schedule button. You should now be on the schedule page. On the top of the page, you can see the calendar date. You can scroll back and forth to see past and future dates. To do this, simply click the left mouse button and drag the screen back and forth. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard if you prefer. You can see that I already have a few tasks in my schedule, but let's add another one. To do this, click the Add Task button on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. You will see a task pop up. Give this task a name. For example, I will call mine Project Meetings. I will now give this task a red color and assign it to 2 people. Assigning the task is important. By doing this, the user who is assigned will be notified that they have been assigned to a task, and it will pop up on their Tasks page. I am now finished with setting up this task, so I will click anywhere outside to close the editing pane. Okay, so now let's cover splitting and linking tasks. To do that, you will first need to understand the difference between edit and viewing mode. If you look at the bottom of the schedule screen, you will see a section that says Mode. Here you can select either viewing or editing mode. Viewing mode allows you to drag the schedule back and forth without accidentally adding more tasks. Editing mode, on the other hand, allows you to drag, drop, and edit tasks. For example, if you click on the screen in edit mode, you will see a new task pop up. Since I don't want to add a new task right now, I will just delete this one. Okay, now on to splitting a task. In edit mode, click on the task you want to split and click the Split button. You will now see that a gray version of the task pops up. You can now drag that task to the appropriate date. You can do this as many times as you want. In my example, the project meeting I am splitting occurs every Friday. The final thing I want to show you is how to link tasks. Linking tasks is used when there is a task dependency. In my case, the quoting task is dependent on the completion of the scope development task. To show this, I will click on the scope development task and click Link. I will then click on the quoting task to build the link. Now, in the event that the schedule changes, the tasks can be moved collectively as one unit. If you want to break this link, click on the task and then click on the little X beside the dependent task listed in the links section. The link is now broken. That concludes this tutorial. If you require further assistance or would simply like to learn more, please visit our help center at www.usemyop.com. Thanks for watching.